David C. Lindberg was an American historian of science. His main focus was in the history of medieval and early modern science, especially physical science and the relationship between religion and science. Lindberg was the author or editor of many books and received numerous grants and awards. He also served as president of the History of Science Society and, in 1999, was recipient of its highest prize for lifetime scholarly achievement, the Saturn Medal. Biography: Lindberg was the Hilldale Professor Emeritus of History of Science and past director of the Institute for Research in the Humanities at the University of Wisconsin-Madison. He held a degree in physics from Northwestern University and a Ph.D. in history and philosophy of science from Indiana University. Professor Lindberg was the author or editor of more than a dozen books, having received numerous grants and awards from prestigious organizations, including the John Simon Guggenheim Foundation, National Science Foundation, the National Endowment for the Humanities, the Institute for Advanced Study, History of Science Society, the Medieval Academy of America, and the University of Wisconsin-Madison. With Ronald Numbers, he co-edited 2 anthologies on the relationship between religion and science. Also with Numbers, Lindberg was general editor of the 8-volume Cambridge History of Science and, with Michael Shank, editor of its volume on medieval science. He served as president of the History of Science Society and was awarded its highest prize for lifetime scholarly achievement, the Saturn Medal. Selected publications: John Petchim and the Science of Optics. Perspectiva Communis, ISBN 978-0-299-05730-5. Theories of Vision from Alcandai to Kepler-Assen B0000 PS4RC, ISBN 978-0-226-48235-4. Science in the Middle Ages, ISBN 978-0-226-48233-0. Studies in the History of Medieval Optics, ISBN 978-0-86078-134-9. Roger Bacon's Philosophy of Nature, ISBN 978-0-19-858164-2, ISBN 978-1-890318-75-8. The Genesis of Kepler's Theory of Light. Light Metaphysics from Plotinus to Kepler-Assen B0073 BMMO. God and Nature, ISBN 978-0-520-05538-4. Reappraisals of the Scientific Revolution, ISBN 978-0-521-34804-1. The Beginnings of Western Science, 600 BC to AD 1450, ISBN 978-0-226-48231-6. Roger Bacon and the Origins of Perspectiva in the Middle Ages, ISBN 978-0-19-823992-5. When Science and Christianity Meet, ISBN 978-0-226-48214-9.